Day 12, Fact 12. So I was pondering about what other facts should I be telling about. There were lots of things, mostly related to space, which I am too excited to talk to you about, but I thought to keep it a little low. Maybe I'll start with the senses, and maybe today I'll do the nose and how we smell. Uh, we know that humans can smell a lot of things, from good to and very bad ones too. But how does it actually work? Um, it's a basic key and lock combination system. There is olfactory neurons in the nose. That's why when people refer to the nose, they call it the olfactory organ because they have olfactory neurons. And what happens is every molecules that's in the air has a certain shape to it. Um, like if there's bread, the bread uh, produces the fumes that produces a certain kind of molecules that have a certain shape. So when this shape goes into our nose, it binds to the receptor with just the opposite shape, like lock and key. Like if the shape was this kind, the neurons will be this, and it will have to bind with this. Then it will know that kind of smell. That means um, the smell of a bread, and that's how smells work. There was this video on YouTube, I don't know the scientist's name, but he was explaining about quantum things, quantum of things in quantum mechanics system, which if you watch a lot of sci-fi movies, you'll know that they use quantum to things that cannot be explained properly, and they just slap quantum into it and explain the phenomena. But what he said was, it was not just the shape that makes the smell, that sends the signal to the smell, to the brain about what something smells like, but it is about the vibrations in each molecule uh, that also changes the way we smell things. He also did an experiment where he used two molecules of similar shapes, but with different weights and different mass. That means when there's different mass, there's different vibration energy to it, and found that they smelled different. He did not directly use the nose, but he did some mechanisms and some computer simulations or something, and found out that. So that's it. That's how smelling works, using the lock and key combination system. So the next time you think about it, always remember, the smells you hear are just keys going to the lock in your nose. That's it. See you tomorrow for the other four senses. Cha-ching.